What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be working on the 4RUNNER here. So let me tell you what happened. Yesterday I drove the 4RUNNER. I went to the store and I noticed the clunking sound coming from the driver's front wheel here, from the suspension. Something is happening there. Maybe the lift kit components, maybe those need to be tightened up or readjusted. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is take the wheel, tire the wheel off, and I want to know what's going on in there, because it's a little concerning. It's not that bad. The driving is the same. I mean, I didn't notice anything on the driving quality or anything unsafe, but still it's making a sound that it's not normal. It just started happening. So when do you guys come with me and take a look with me, see what we can find? Hopefully it's just an adjustment thing, or who knows. But let's go, let's do this. Alright guys, so let's take a look. What I can see, what I can find. I want to know what's making that clunking sound. Let's take a look. As you guys can see, I put like a thread marker on every single nut I took off and I put back on, so that's good. See, they haven't moved from the original place. Everything has been marked. I don't know what could be making that sound, so let's do a little investigating here. Okay, so what could be making that noise? Tie rod is good. Sway bar. What is that? What could be making that noise? Maybe the caliper? Caliper seems good too, so caliper's tight. Caliper seems good. What else? What do you guys think? It's like a little clunking sound when I step on the brake. Makes like a little clunk sound, and then as soon as I release the brake and start moving, it makes that clunk sound again. Everything seems good in here. What do you guys think? Let me know. Help me out if you've had a problem like this. So everything seems normal in here. Everything seems to be where it should be. Nothing is loose. Maybe the spring is like moving around or adjusting, or everything is tight though. Huh. I don't know, guys. I don't see anything. I don't see anything that would tell me what could be making that sound. Like from this side, the caliper is tight, and as you guys can see, it's still on the jack. So it's not, the suspension is not a full droop, it's not relaxed. So this is what it would be like if it was still on the ground with the wheel and tire on. So I don't know, man. The spring is tight. The spring is really tight. It's inside the pocket there. I don't see anything that would tell me that something is loose. And you guys saw on the markings there, nothing backed out. The only thing I can think of is I'm gonna add a little more grease to the ball joint here. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it needs a little grease, so I'm gonna try that. Alright guys, I brought my little mini grease gun over here. It gets the job done. So I'm gonna pump a few. I'm gonna add a little grease to this. Maybe that's what's happening. That's the only thing I can think of. Okay. Okay, there. Okay. This would be. This is it. I don't know what else to look for. Everything else looks good. I'm gonna put the wheel and tire on. I'll take it for a spin, and hopefully that solved the clunking sound. I don't hear it. I don't hear it, guys. I don't know, it could have been that the upper control arm ball joint needed a little grease. Okay, I'm gonna keep driving it for a little bit here. like it's gone. I'm gonna do a little harder brake in here. Well, there it is, guys. That was an easy fix, don't you think? All I needed was a little grease on the ball joint circs, and I think I got rid of that clunking sound. Hopefully that doesn't come back anytime soon or ever, and if it does, I'm gonna have to do something else about it. But for now, it's fixed. No more sounds coming from the suspension side of this truck. I got lucky that I didn't have to replace or fix any suspension components down there. I didn't find anything damaged, so that's good. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and all of you guys who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for supporting my content. There will be more stuff coming next year about this truck and my other two trucks. I'm always working on my trucks, doing crazy things or, you know, fun things. So with that said, you guys have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see each other. I'll see you guys, or you see me sometime next year. All right, so peace, and be safe out there.